this one was at 20 miles into the ground, so it was actually pretty similar in a similar location here. That one was maybe just a little further to the north here, but I am sure that all the sirens are going off all through the Indian Peninsula, all the communities along the oceans. Of course, they all remember what happened in 2004. There are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people that are fleeing to higher ground right now at this hour, all through the Indonesian Peninsula, all through the Indian Ocean. I mean, serious business here with an 8.9 magnitude. And this would just give you an indication of the frequency around the globe. Usually we only see an 8.0 or greater around the entire globe once a year. That's it. Usually we get a lot of these 7 and 6s, which are still serious, but I mean 8.9 is at the top of the scale. So we'll wait and see when we start getting some information in. At this point, there really doesn't appear to be much of a threat to the west coast of the United States with a storm in this area location or a tsunami heading to the west coast. The biggest concerns right now is all of Indonesia, up through India, and all the way through any locations bordering the Indian Ocean. So again, as soon as we get any confirmation of, right now we're waiting to see is there a tsunami? That's the biggest question that's out there right now. There's warnings out there. All of the conditions, the size of the earthquake, the location of it, the depth of it shows that there should be a tsunami with this. The question now is how big is it and where is it going to hit the hardest? And what we have now is we have these buoys out there in the Indian Ocean and all the ocean basins that once the tsunami hits those buoys, we'll know the size and the magnitude and hopefully give those areas the warning they need. But I mean, it's so close to the Indonesia Peninsula that those areas may have already been hit. As far as the forecast back here in the United States, there's really nothing going on here, Lynn, that's really too devastating or too life